EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for March 24th, 2020. We have one system moving away that is the system that affected us yesterday. Some areas, or actually most areas, received rain from this, but there was some onset snow and even some sleet mixed in for central areas, and then further north we had some very minor accumulations, especially in areas of elevation, but that has now moved away, and in its wake we're going to have a partly cloudy day and much milder. So this is a time of year where the weather really can't make up its mind whether it wants to be still stuck in winter mode or still stuck in spring mode, and today's one of those spring days. So we're going to have temperatures that are above average today. We're going to get to the upper 50s to near 60 degrees in many locations and partly cloudy skies. But this is not going to last long. We have a fast parade of systems coming in just kind of every other day here, and that is going to be the case here on Wednesday. So as we move forward in time here, you see the next system is going to be coming in as early as Tuesday night, like late Tuesday night. There could be some showers working into the region, but the trend for this system has been to push this further south. So with time, instead of this tracking directly over the area like it showed a few days ago, it's now further south, and that means less precipitation from this. So I don't expect this to be a repeat in terms of quantitative precipitation. We did see areas yesterday that had rainfall, have a decent amount of rainfall in some cases. I don't think you're going to be quite as robust with that this time, except, and this is also going to be favoring areas further to the south. The southern two-thirds of our region should get into the highest rain amounts, but even there, we're not talking about a lot here. So that's what that's the trend this is going here on the European model, and this is the latest 18Z run. The previous run, just for reference, is also very similar. And the NAM is, this is the new NAM that's coming in this evening, is very much in agreement with the European model, showing the showers working their way into the region very late on Tuesday night. And as I move this forward in time, you can see just showery weather across our region. No heavy rain, except for until you get down here to maybe central southern Delaware, southern New Jersey. You get a little bit more into the moderate rainfall, but just showers here on during the day here on Wednesday that will linger into the afternoon. And then by the time we get to the evening, this should be wrapped up. So just a showery event. It's going to be cooler on Wednesday because of the fact that this is going to be moving south of the region. There's a boundary there that's actually going to be a little bit further south and give us some cooler temperatures, but I don't think you're getting any snow out of this one. But you will have just showery weather, it looks like, as opposed to heavier rain. And this is going to move out either late afternoon on Wednesday or very early evening, and then that'll be it for that system. Now, we get to Thursday, we're going to have a system moving off to our north, so we're expecting a partly cloudy day. It'll become mostly cloudy later in the day. There's a frontal boundary associated with this, a cold front. Kind of hard to see here, but there is a cold front here sitting like this with this area of low pressure moving off to our north. Very little precipitation, if any at all, with this particular wave. And along the tail end of this boundary, it's going to kind of fizzle as it moves away here. But this will become a warm front eventually associated with this area of low pressure out here in the Midwest. This warm front itself should come through on Friday night. So most of Friday, we're expecting more of the same thing, kind of dry and overall, maybe a stray shower, but looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies here on Friday as well. Both Thursday and Friday will be milder days. So we're going to take a step back when it's in temperatures, when it's raining on Wednesday, but then we go back to the milder temperatures up near and above the 60-degree mark in many locations on both Thursday and Friday. The warm front's going to move through overnight and into Saturday, so we will have some showery weather there with this front, and then eventually the cold front's going to move through early Sunday, Saturday night and early Sunday here with some more rain, and that will clear with skies improving in the afternoon on Sunday. At least that's what it's looking like right now. So optimistically, we're looking out for the latter part of Sunday to be better than the rest of the weekend will be. So Saturday looks like, unfortunately for those of you that are looking ahead to the weekend, not that there's much to do right now with everybody locked down, but Saturday is going to be pretty much a wash, it looks like, and then we get into Sunday, just the morning looks like it's going to be the worst of the 2 days. Then we might actually have a couple days here in a row where we have some dry weather, which would be nice going through the middle of next week. We've had systems coming in here like every 2 days or every 2 or 3 days. Maybe we get a little bit of break heading into next week. That would be nice, and hopefully dry us out a little bit. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin. So that is our outlook for March 24th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.